Do you love to keep your electronics, your phone, everything else by your nightstand, but you hate the look of all of the cords and the aesthetic look of having your phone out, things all charging cables everywhere? You need to get this that I was gifted by the brand. So thank you so much to the brand for gifting this to me. This is ingenious little design item. So what it looks like on the outside is two classic hardcover books that you have sitting on your nightstand. They're different colors. It's like one is the white and then one cream colored. You can put it either way. It's got all of the nice little features of a hardcover book, but it's not a hardcover book. It is a hidden, so when you open it, look at this. That top comes off, and inside, I have my phone charging here. So you can have all of your charging, you can have your cables come in the outside there, shuts like that and keeps it all hidden away. Now, I'm going to be keeping it on this shelf here, so I'll show you, if I take this out, what this looks like up close. So when you put it together, you can have cables in here, cables here, so you've got lots of room for whatever size cables on the back. And then the front, it looks like this. So when it's here, it just, for display purposes, I was showing you on the top here because it's a little hard to get in and out here, but it looks like I've got two nice books on my nightstand here. And this nightstand is going to be mounted on my wall, by the way, too. But here you have them here, and it just makes a beautiful, looks nice and clean and elegant. It upscales your space, looks designer. You're not seeing those cables, the unsightly cables, and there's lots of room on the inside. So you open it up and it's like a magnet that keeps it closed together. So it is plastic, but it's textured on the outside. It looks beautiful. If you look at, there's the cover of one of the books. Actually, let me put this together properly. And then you've got the cover of the other book. So you can keep it either way if you wanted. If you liked the look of that, you could have that on top if you like the look of that, but just a very classic. Then you can see the spine of what it would be, the books. And like I said, those is all you're going to see is the top of one and the spine. And then all your cables come through here, all hidden away. It looks absolutely elegant, upscaled look for your bedroom or whatever space you want. I absolutely love these. It is ingenious design. Great way to hide electronics and make your bedroom look zen. Highly recommend getting these. Thank you again to the brand for gifting them to me.